The next is job shop production. So, a manufacturing system where products are made in small quantities and each product is unique or customized. So, ito yung manufacturing system na small quantities lang ang ginagawa at kadalasan customized or unique bawat product. Parang for example, kapag nagpagawa ka ng personalized items, iba-iba ang design. Kaya flexible pero matagal at mahal. Then we have the characteristics, advantages, and disadvantages. In characteristics, produces variety of products in low volume, uses general purposes machines like drill press, lathe, and milling machine. So, and requires skilled workers. Layout is a process-oriented machines group by type. And then iyang advantages, we have high flexibility, customization possible, can handle complex designs. And iyang disadvantages, high production cost, longer production time, and high material handling cost. So next is batch production. Dito naman, ginagawa ang products by batches or group. Isang batch muna tapusin bago lumipat sa next. So, mas flexible siya kaysa mass production. Pero may set up time sa paglipat ng batch. And then, napunta characteristics, advantages, and disadvantages. So, in characteristics, medium variety and medium volume machines may need setup change between batches. Workers moderately skilled, layout can be process-oriented or cellular. So, sa kanyang advantages, more flexible than mass production, lower cost per unit than job shop, suitable for demand that fluctuates. Sa iyang disadvantages, time loss in machine setup may produce unused inventory, and planning and scheduling can be complex.
So next is mass production. This is a manufacturing system where large quantities of identical products are produced continuously using specialized machines. So kining mass production is naga-produce of product continuously because mass production uses large machines. So iyang characteristics is high volume, low variety. So, which means naga-produce og large amount of products na ginahimo but limited ang design sa product. So, next is uses specialized purpose machines. So, mass production is naga-use og mga special machines nga para pod sa specific nga product. So, next is layout is product oriented. The next is workers often perform repetitive tasks. So, sa mass production is sa usa ka worker is ang iyahang task is nagabalik-balik lang. Then advantages, very low cost per unit. So, every product is dili mahal ang magasto sa company because mass production is nagless siya sa cost each product. So, next is production is fast and efficient. So, because tungod sa machines ang ginagamit sa mass production is mas fast ang pag-produce sa product. The next is high product quality and consistency. So, tungod nga kanang machines ang ilahang ginagamit, so ang ilahang product quality is taas. Then, next is disadvantages. So, requires high initial investment. So, tungod sa machines man ang ginagamit sa mass production is ganid siya o ganang large amount of investment. So, next is not flexible or cannot easily change design. So, there is a mass production is nakaset na ang process for production. So, di na siya madali-dali nga ma-change ang design sa imong product. So, it is not flexible. So, last is workers may have repetitive job. So, because of the assembly line, ang gitrabaho sa workers or ang task sa workers is magbalik-balik lang siya.
So, the next one is lean manufacturing. It is a management philosophy focused on minimizing waste to maximize productivity and customer value. it is a systematic approach originally developed by Toyota that identifies and eliminates non-value added activities in a process, leading to benefits like reduced cost, improved quality, and faster lead times. So, in a manufacturing, a production philosophy and methodology focused on creating more value for customers while minimizing waste. In simple terms, it is about making products efficiently using fewer resources. So, if kana mo maog product nga gamay lang ang mga resources ang gamon so ay ang gamiton so that maka-reduce siya og kuan like sa mga waste din less food sa time dayon unnecessary cost without sacrificing quality. So, in lean manufacturing,